Okay, my game needs to load a little bit. Ooh, look at this flower. Open window. This window's open. No, they open the whole time.
One was open.
These windows open the whole time? I don't know.
Yeah.
20
level 24 farming. Level 25 farming.
Nice. Wool thread.
Sure, unlock whatever.
Oh. Hard leather. Maybe a hard leather. Something in the tannery.
I can show you how to get hard. In leather.
Coarse thread. Coarse thread. With the blue flowers. Oh god, we don't have any blue flowers. Oh wait. Coarse animal
There's
thread.
58 flax right here.
Oh nice.
There's some wool thread in this box right here behind you.
I'm gonna take like half this flax. Thread the needle. Ooh, wheat. We got wheat. Wheat.
Yep.
Nice. Oh, I need to look at the house. Is there a new floor? I like how tall it is.
What are you looking at? Oh, you're at the top
house.
level? Yeah, there's nothing up there new. It's just like I wanted to put a roof on, but
Nice.
couldn't be bothered to do more than just put floors. I got annoyed, so I just didn't do anymore.
That's
Done. Fuck this. I like broke everything. So mad.
No, I don't do it.
They did put some stuff right here. This in the middle area. I made some more stuff.
Ooh.
Nothing crazy. Not much. I can make oak, short bows and long bows. That's cool.
Ooh.
That's cool.
Mm. I want a new staff. Staff. Oh. Oh, okay. What? Oh, check out the lodestone. Oh my god, what did I... Oh, wild animal? How'd you get that?
That is from...
Ooh, lodestone at the spawn?
What? That's what I was asking about yesterday. I didn't realize there was one there.
Oh,
I didn't put it there. I thought maybe I asked maybe if you did. That's not the one that I put down.
No, okay, I see.
Oh, you...
Oh, villager.
So Doric. I saw him here, and I'm like, well, this is kind of a good spot, honestly.
Yeah, Doric.
Plus, we're kind of far from the other ones.
Use a submission? What the shoe? What the shoe, huh? Bronze. We need bronze upgrades. What's that? Creeper. Oh man. I like the spot you picked. Whoa, parkour. Oh my god. Oh, this place is like blocked off on my map.
Oh.
Oh god. And then my spellbook keeps messing up. It keeps changing the position. I got money.
$37.
And,
Beef brisket is pretty good.
nice. That sounds good. Tender. Oh, another big tree. I'm not even expecting this one. Do you use target lock?
Yeah, sometimes I turn it on and off depending. Yeah.
No, animal infused bark. Collect.
They're around these big trees right here. I cooked up a little bit of them already.
They're all on the floor. Oh my god. A lot. Yeah.
Like, I have two brothers. His three circles grenade.
Grenade.
Yeah, the three flip flop. I mean, people chuckle.
Chancla. My chancla. What the heck? That's all the ore I have? Oops! It's nothing.
Actually, I have three brothers. The last one is the boss fight.
The boss baby.
Creeper made a creeper, Chunkla,
Oh fuck!
flip-flop.
Creeper chancla flip flop.
Yeah. I mean, Chunkla. The boss fight. I've been
On it. My map is like it's not discovered yet. Oh, I'm scared. Anima bark.
Hey, Lord,
Dragon
I despise the
King.
rambling seers.
I'll be
Okay,
ready.
what? Oh yeah!
That did 45
Bruh.
damage to me? That did a lot of damage to me. I need a new staff upgrade.
Oh god, what? Oh, his combo went through after he died. I hate that.
I hate that. Luffy! Monkey D. Luffy!
Oh my fucking god.
No, I...
A wolf came up behind me.
Oh. We don't have like a movement spell yet.
You should try doing the main quest.
Yeah.
Kind of ignored it for a while.
Yeah. Let's get our stuff and then do the main quest.
Yeah. Good
There's
idea.
so many enemies over here.
I know.
Oh, I'm gonna die again. Yeah, let's do the main quest. This mine.
I'm being chased by 3 wolves.
Oh my god, he's attacking me. Yeah, let's go back. Ooh, there's a poison swamp over there.
Yeah, I did notice. That's why I kind of wanted to put it in that area, because it looks like there might be something above and below here.
Next location. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go back.
I have something for you.
Sweet veg ball. Oh my god, yeah, XP boost.
Maybe you
Nice.
saw these. Maybe you have to find these, but this one's out of order, I believe.
Yeah, there was that one button one. I'll build our Aronia base. That's strong. Nice.
My audio was all fucked up for me.
Oh god. I need a tier 3 weapon. Oh god, there's all of them here. Let's That's not good. Run! Run!
Cool.
I got a bronze arrow. Wow.
Do the main quest, maybe.
Yeah. Let's do it. You have bronze armor yet?
No.
Me neither.
Oh, I did find a recipe for a wizard hat.
Oh. Nice.
Wizard gear. Put your anima infused bark into this kiln to get those weird ingredients. I forget what they're called right now.
The souls. Okay.
I'm gonna do that. And then wild anima, and then you can make wizard gear with it.
Oh. Nice.
And also make an oak battle staff.
Hmm.
You want that, right?
Yeah.
You want to make it yourself? I think you just need to pick up the... Oh, you can just make it, I think.
Wild anima and charcoal.
I need hard leather. That's what I need for that.
Mm.
Kind of want ranged gear, but I don't know where to find it. In Runescape, it's hard leather, and then it's dragon hide.
Oh.
Chieftain's blade. Want some wizard robes?
Yeah, I don't think I have the recipe yet.
No.
It's not in my smithing anvil.
The wild anima. Oh man.
I have some, yeah, I have wild anima. I don't have the recipe though.
I just need rough cloth. Oh, that's what you need. That's why.
Oh, I don't know what the heck that is.
There you go. On the floor.
I need a rough hide. Oh. Thank you.
What'd you say?
Rough hide?
You want it rough? What did I hear?
No, I don't have the recipe.
Sounds good.
Gotta get the set bonus.
Hard leather.
Oh, did I get the set bonus for the mage? It was mage armor. I thought it was just the name. Cool.
Animal hide. Leather. It up. How to, all caps, get hard leather. Very well.
Yeah, we gotta do the main quest.
Inner's kit upgrade. Bronze bars, coarse thread adhesive, ash planks.
What? What the hell?
Hmm. Swamp tar.
Oh yeah, we're getting attacked then.
I've heard. Oh. Ah.
Okay, should we do the main quest?
Dude.
Hard leather.
Okay, so I'm gonna read to you what I'm reading.
Okay.
To get hard leather in Dragonwilds, you first build the Tanner's Kit upgrade for your tannery
Oh, I
using
see it.
bronze bars. Where is it? How do you? Is it a level
It's
that I
in.
need
I don't know, but I see it in my crafting thing.
in the tannery or in
No, it's in the
crafting?
crafting
What is it called?
Tanner's kit.
Can't run for it. Materials and processing. Oh, Tanner's Kit. Oh. How do you build it next to it? I guess.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it? Okay, go ahead. Looking for an area, but not a good one. Alright.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Leather and adhesive. Ah, I just picked up everything out of this fucking chest.
Adhesive? How do we get adhesive?
Swamp tar in the kiln.
Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. Do we need more swamp tar? Oh, the swamp.
Haven't been there in a while.
Yeah. Forgot about the swamp.
Yeah.
It's too creepy.
Yeah. I'm scared of this place a little bit.
Yeah. Oh. Revenge of the Beast.
Being hunted?
Why?
Yeah.
I only have 4 swamp tar. Nah, I'm gonna I see a ghost. Restless spirit.
Just going ooh to me.
Tried to row out by the lake near the temple and that dragon whacked me in the tail. Name's K.
Thing up here, thing, okay.
Should we make it to this the swamp quest? Oh no, okay. We're going the wrong direction.
Looking for swamp tar, right?
I like how these
Haven't found
noses
any
are
yet.
like right in front of me. I only have 8 swamp tar.
Dang.
I know, not a lot.
Picking up any herbs that I find as well.
Okay. Let's see. Oh shit, I found a cave.
Coming. Noises are loud.
I know. There's nothing even there. Oh my god, I see the demon. Yeah, it's coming over here. The demon is
Almost.
northwest.
We almost beat it last time.
Yes. I
Oh,
basically
I didn't.
still have the same gear.
I didn't make any of those things.
The ward stone.
Where's our? Where's our? Yeah, where's our teleporter? To the east? I'm not sure where it is.
Oh, what the hell? Yeah, it's like this way. I'm going to this
Same.
cave real quick.
Alright, I want to make some of those word stones, then I'll come back.
No, there's just mushrooms in this cave. Mushrooms in a chest.
Yeah. Getting whatever in my cup. Found it. And like $1,000,000 trying now.
I'm trying. Oh,
Tomato.
ooh. I got 11 swamp tar from the chest, thank god. Hey, P.
P.